Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best closet curtains is probably one of the most transformative and budget-friendly upgrades you can make to your home, instantly elevating the style and functionality of your bedroom, while cleverly concealing any clutter behind closed doors. In this video, we will walk you through the top choices for closet curtains, helping you find the perfect fit for your space and personal taste, considering factors such as fabric, length, and hanging methods, ensuring a seamless blend of fashion and practicality. Number 5. RYB Home Door Curtain. Enhance your home with our stylish and functional doorway curtains. They're perfect for adding privacy and controlling light. Made from 100% durable polyester, it's soft, triple woven for lasting quality and a luxurious feel. These curtains are ideal for dividing rooms, blocking light, and improving insulation. They're easy to install and maintain. It helps block out summer heat and winter chill, saving you money on your energy bills. Enjoy a more comfortable home year-round. With 6 metal grommets, it's simple to hang. Plus, it's machine washable for easy care. Use them in your bedroom, kitchen, closet, or any space needing a touch of privacy and style. They're incredibly versatile. RYB Home offers a wide variety of curtains and home decor to complement your style and create a harmonious atmosphere. What we like? It effectively blocks light and insulates against temperature changes, saving you money on energy bills. If you need a simple yet effective solution for privacy and temperature control, this is a great option. If you're looking for low-maintenance curtains, this is the perfect choice because it's easy to clean and maintain. What people say? It blocks out light, good material and color, and is good for privacy. They are pretty close to blackout and are super thick, so they definitely cut down on our electric bill as they seem to trap the heat from the sun pretty well. It hangs smooth and straight. It is only about 1/4 the weight of the middle curtain, so I don't have to worry that the combined weight, along with the curtain opening robot, will pull out the drywall. Number 4. SHINELAND Ash Doorway Curtain. Are you frustrated with expensive and bulky doors? It's time for a stylish and affordable alternative. This curtain offers a simple solution for various spaces. Say goodbye to broken tracks and limited space. This easy-to-install fabric curtain is perfect for RVs, small areas, or anywhere you need convenient passage. Enjoy complete privacy with its blackout capabilities. It also provides thermal insulation, keeping you warm in winter and cool in summer, saving you money on energy bills. It's available in a generous size to fit various door openings. Its elegant design works beautifully in any room, from the bedroom to the kitchen. With beautiful rings for smooth sliding and folding, installation is a breeze. A tie back is included for easy opening, and it adds a touch of elegance to your home. This curtain offers privacy, energy savings, and style, all while being easy to install and maintain. It's the perfect solution for any room in your home. What we like? It comes in various sizes to fit different door openings and offers excellent privacy. If you have an oddly sized door or need maximum privacy, this is the one for you. Its versatility makes it suitable for various locations in your home. What people say? The fabric feels soft and doesn't have that plastic-like feel of synthetic fibers. It has a nice weight to it, so it hangs nicely too. The quality of the curtain is superior and blocks light very well. Number 3. Fake Folding Door. It blocks hot airflow, saving you money on AC costs. It helps your air conditioner cool your room faster, making it a smart and lightweight solution for any season. Use it as a soft divider between rooms for privacy. It blocks smells and darkens rooms, even acting as a mosquito barrier. It's a more economical alternative to traditional doors. It's easy to install, no tension rods or tiebacks needed. It's more convenient than other doors, opening and closing quickly. It's also removable and washable. It fits closets, hides shelves, and works in RVs or dorms. You can even use it as a window curtain if you don't want long curtains touching the floor. It's machine washable, tumble dry low, and don't use bleach. Iron it with a warm iron to remove wrinkles. What we like? This curtain saves on energy costs by blocking airflow and is incredibly easy to install. If you are looking for a budget-friendly and convenient way to add privacy and insulation, this is a great choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for various uses beyond just a closet door. What people say. It helps keep the room insulated as well, as sometimes a draft would make this room freezing cold. Nice material and great size to fit my 48 inches wide hallway. Blocking light as well. The material is thick and good quality. The rings are sturdy as well. Number 2. PANELSBURG Accordion Door. It's a modern take on a classic design. This stylish door adds a touch of retro elegance to any home. Made from thick microfiber polyester, it helps keep your rooms cool in the summer and warm in the winter, saving you money on energy bills. This door provides a soft yet effective barrier, protecting your privacy and reducing noise. Ideal for home offices or shared spaces. It's waterproof and perfect for various uses, including bathrooms, RVs, and even outdoor spaces. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. It's easy to hang using a rod, clips, or even Velcro. Plus, it's machine washable for easy care. With sewn-in top and bottom pockets, it's designed to fit even hard-to-find French doors, up to 80 inches in length. What we like. It adds a touch of vintage elegance to your home while providing insulation and privacy. If you appreciate a classic look and need a durable, waterproof option, this is perfect. It's also suitable for bathrooms and other areas prone to moisture. What people say. The curtain itself seems to be well made, ironed very easily and fit the doorway perfectly. I cannot see through the curtain. It is not super heavy weight, but it is not sheer either. It's absolutely perfect and it keeps the room so much cooler. Looks very cool too. The quality of this drape is excellent. Number 1. XTMYI Sheer Door Curtains. It's the perfect size for a doorway, offering a sheer and airy feel, especially in warmer months. A lightweight and stylish alternative to heavier room dividers. These curtains are ideal for use as a room divider, side light curtains, or even closet curtains. They're incredibly adaptable to your needs. Each panel is wide enough to create a beautiful, ruffled look, similar to an elegant accordion door. This adds to its privacy and style. While not completely opaque, they offer a good level of semi-privacy. Ruffling them further enhances this, while still allowing light to filter through. They're easy to care for, simply machine wash and tumble dry. They can be hung with a rod pocket or clip hooks for a variety of looks. Use them as window curtains for a vintage or boho farmhouse vibe. The length is perfect for sliding closet doors or even as a canopy bed curtain. What we like. It offers a balance of privacy and light, making it ideal for various uses. If you prefer a lighter, airier curtain that still provides some privacy, this is a great option. Its versatility allows it to be used in many different areas of your home. What people say. Beautiful curtain, I got dark green, they are strong material and not flimsy nylon, they look so nice, hang perfect. They had the perfect length that I needed, so I took a stab and bought them. They are very nice. This textured sheer curtain panels does the trick. Great price, not too sheer looking, beautiful color and very pleased with my purchase. I ended buying this length along with the 84-inch and 63 panels as well as different colors for my game room and office. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.